Hey, I thought I'd do a quick demo showing how I use aim space overlap in Unreal. At the moment, it's a reasonably manual process. I'm trying to automate it like I have in Maya with my aim tools tool, but I got a start on it. I've got some of it done, so I'll just show where I am anyway. So I've got this guy, and he's doing a walk cycle, just a very rough walk cycle. And at the moment, his head has got really simple animation on it, just basically just a couple of keys to like keep him looking forward to kind of counter the rotation of the chest, because there isn't a world space orient on this particular rig. So what I want to do is I want to maybe add some lolling about on his head, make him look a bit, sleepy or something. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select this head. I'm going to use a script I've got here called create ham locator, which creates a locator at the same position. And I'm going to drag that up above his head. Then I'm going to go to the constraints menu here, and I'm going to pre-select the parent. I'm going to select this as the parent. I'm going to select the locator again in the outliner here because I'm in animation mode. I can't select that through the view right now. And I'm going to add a parent constraint, and then I'm going to bake it. I'm going to make sure it's baking all frames. So on frame 1 to 25 for my loop. I want all frames, not keys only. I'll go OK, and then I'll delete the constraint. So now I've got that locator baked. It's just got, if I select that, you can see in the curve editor, it's got world space coordinates on it. Just moving, but it's following the head exactly. So now I'm going to select that as my parent, or the thing that's going to drive the constraint, and I'm going to select the head. I'm going to add a lookout. And now, the animation doesn't look any different, but if I grab this locator now, you can see it's actually controlling the head. So as a quick way to add overlap, then I can just grab all these curves, set them to cycle, and then just start offsetting them like a frame or two. Maybe let's go 3 frames. So now I got a lot of lolling, and I can even start doing things like scaling them up or, playing around with them. If I look at the actual details of like the rotations and so on, you can see there. Let's have a look through these transforms, say location X. That's not too bad. Maybe Y, maybe Z. I might push that a bit more, maybe tighten the ease on it, just give it a bit more snap. Same here. Same here. Fix the loop tangents. Just kind of go in and just generally, I could even go to say the multi-scale tool and start select all of these. A quick way to select the whole curve is just select an empty part of the curve basically, and so center or average will work here. So I can just scale the whole key up. Well, actually, that's actually not going to do too much because it's that one. But let's try a different curve. That's going to make a bigger difference. Again, I'll fix the loop tangents. So now you've got quite a silly overlap. And then I would just, select, or I just bake that constraint. I can bake it on 2s or 3s, whatever. I'll just bake it on all frames for now. And I'll just delete the constraint. And now I can just delete that locator from my scene, go to the outliner and just select it and delete it. It'll recalculate because it's in the curve editor. It was doing some stuff. Yeah, I don't mind deleting it. And now I've got that animation baked on my head control. So it's quite simple. There's a few steps, but definitely quite manageable manually. I say my little script here is just helping a little bit with creating it and positioning it.